Hi friend, this is me Akhlaq. Today I am going to discuss with you past perfect continuous tense. Friends, the identified words in past perfect continuous tense are ता रहा था, ती रही थी, ते रहे थे. In Hindi, if I give you a sentence, मैं ये काम करता रहा था. Friends, in past perfect continuous tense, a different type of sentence may also be. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से मैं 2 साल से लखनऊ में रह रहा था. आई टोल्ड यू मैं 2 साल से लखनऊ में रह रहा था. सो आई जस्ट मीन टू से यू हियर इफ यू फाइंड ता रहा था, ती रही थी, ते रहे थे, नो नीड ऑफ टाइम गिवन. बट इफ यू फाइंड रहा था, रही थी एंड रहे थे, देन यू फाइंड टाइम. You find time. So friends, to translate these type of sentences into English, we have to keep in our mind that in past perfect continuous tense, we use one helping verb, that is had, supported by been. So had been and verb plus ing form. For time, if time is given, then we use since or for. For definite time we use since and for indefinite time we use for. If I give you a sentence, मैं 2 साल से लखनऊ में रह रहा था, I would translate this sentence into English. This is in affirmative. I would translate this into English as I had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. If I go changing the subjects, it would be we had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. You had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. They had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. He had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. She had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. Ram had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. Sita had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. Ram and Sita had been living in Lucknow for 2 years. Friends, if time is not given, the sentence as I told you some time back would be this way. मैं ये काम करता रहा था. Its translation would be I had been doing this work. We had been doing this work. You had been doing this work. They had been doing this work. He had been doing this work. She had been doing this work. Ram had been doing this work. Sita had been doing this work. Ram and Sita had been doing this work. If I go with its negative, the sentence would be I had not been doing this work. We had not been doing this work. You had not been doing this work. They had not been doing this work. He had not been doing this work. She had not been doing this work. Ram had not been doing this work. Sita had not been doing this work. Ram and Sita had not been doing this work. If I go with its interrogative helping verb type, the sentence in Hindi would be क्या मैं अपना काम करता रहा था, या क्या मैं ये काम करता रहा था, क्या मैं ये काम कर रहा था. Its English would be had I been doing this work. Had we been doing this work? Had you been doing this work? Had they been doing this work? Had he been doing this work? Had she been doing this work? Had Ram been doing this work? Had Sita been doing this work? Had Ram and Sita been doing this work? If I go with its interrogative question mark type, the sentence would be मैं ये काम क्यों नहीं करता रहा था. Its English would be why had I not been doing this work? Why had we not been doing this work? Why had you not been doing this work? Why had they not been doing this work? Why had he not been doing this work? Why had she not been doing this work? Why had Ram not been doing this work? Why had Sita not been doing this work? Why had Ram and Sita not been doing this work? Friends, may I now remind you once again, if you find in sentence ता रहा था, ती रही थी, ते रहे थे, no need of time given, that sentence would be in past perfect continuous tense. And if you find sentence that ends with रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, the sentence will take time also. And for definite time we will use since, and for indefinite time we will use for. That's all for today. Thank you.